There's something about setting up camp, firing up the Skottle, and making a simple meal outside that just hits different. Tonight, I'm keeping it easy. Quick setup, simple ingredients, and a dinner complete in 10 minutes. I will also show you the Skottle setup I've been using and share what I really think about cooking on it. Let's get dinner going.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Brian. In today's episode, I want to talk about camp cooking. If you guys are just like me, you got camp stove, maybe more than one, you got multiple pots and pans, you got to drag all that crap out when you get to camp, then you got to clean it all once you use it. But today, I want to show you something that I found that I love. I think everybody should have one within their camp cooking setup. And also, I want to cook a meal for you, show you a cheap, fast meal that tastes very good. It's my $10 meal for two, under 10 minutes. Stick around. Let's dive in and get started. It is extremely hot here in southeast Kansas today. Right now, about 6:20 p.m., 115 index. So I am actually filming this from the homestead. I was going to go up to the lake today, and Amy was a little bit worried with the heart issues that I've been having and everything to be that far away from the house. So she encouraged me to stay home and just do some filming here. So that's what we're doing. I love this thing. This is like the greatest thing since sliced bread. It's better than popcorn. And you can cook popcorn in it too. Haven't tried it, but hey, I heard you can do it, so I believe it. It is the Camping Moon Skottle. I love it. It is simple to put together. It's heavy duty. It's super, super easy to clean up. That's the part that I love. I hate cleaning up after a meal. Typically, I got to clean up that Coleman stove. I got to clean up this pot, that pot, and it's just something I dread. I just don't like it. I like to roll in, set up. I like to eat good, but I want to cook fast. I want to clean up. Then I want to enjoy myself and relax. So let's get it set up. Also, I got a meal that I'm going to cook for you. I cook this quite often. I love it. It's cheap. It'll feed 2 to 3 people, and it's $10 roughly for all the ingredients, and I can cook it in under 10 minutes. Total win across the board. All right, I'm not going to do a full review of this right now. If you'd like to see one, let me know. It is very, very heavy duty. So it comes with this really nice bag. It's got some compartments here. I keep like spray pan in, stuff like that. And when you open it up, you have everything inside. Also, I can keep some spatulas, tongs, and it's also got the legs right here. Here we have the base. These are all stainless steel legs. There's no plastic here. Everything nice and sturdy, heavy duty. I love that piece of it. All these legs just, they'll slide right down, and they got locking places, two different heights. You can adjust it. all stainless steel frame around that as well. In this bag, we have our burner. They make two versions of this. They make a propane and a butane. I just went with the propane. So much easier. It goes with everything else I have. Got the burner set in. Then we have our Skottle. It's got nice handles on each side of it as well. Set that in there. Then we have a rack. It's optional. I use it to go down here underneath. We got our Skottle put together. Let's get her fired up here. I like that it's got an automatic igniter on it. Just turn my gas on. One click, fires right up. Tonight we're going to fix a teriyaki chicken stir fry. And our base is going to be ramen noodles is what we're going to use for that. I got some pre-cut oven roasted chicken. I got some vegetables and teriyaki sauce. You're probably thinking, how are you going to fix that ramen and get the pasta cooked if this is all you got out? Let me show you that. That's another reason why I love this. I don't have to have a pot to cook my pasta in. I can fix spaghetti in this. I can fix just about anything that I like to eat in this one Skottle. That's why I love this thing so much. I don't have all those pots and pans I got to drag around and take up space in my truck. To start out with, we're going to pour some water for our pasta to cook in. I'm not going to use the flavoring in the ramen. I'm just going to use the noodles is all I want. I'll save the flavoring for something else. If you got a Skottle, do you like it? Let me know in the comments, please. Crank it up on high. Put a little bit more water in there. And we can just cover it with our lid. Get that up boiling. Take just a couple minutes for those to cook. I can start moving this out to the edge so I can have the middle to add next item in. So next we're just going to add our vegetables. You can get whatever kind you want. I just got carrots, broccoli, and cauliflower. Just dump those right there in the middle. And I always put these in before I do my chicken. The chicken I got's pre-cooked, so I don't have to worry about getting it completely done because it's already done. Just got to basically warm it up. So once I get those in, I'll just put top over the middle there and let those steam for just a little bit. All right, now we can start mixing this up and adding our chicken in. The chicken opened up here. Guess we're going to use our knife again for this. Glad I carry a knife. I'll put 2 bags of chicken in. They said 2 servings per bag, but I like my protein. that mixed together. Put our lid on it. Now we got everything mixed together and warm. We're going to hit it with some teriyaki. Quite a bit of teriyaki. Cover everything up. Keep those flies off of it. Oh, wonderful. Like a rotisserie chicken. It's hot. This is very good, everyone. It's just chicken, whatever vegetables you want. And I like using the ramen because they're cheap for my pasta. Works out great. They cook really fast. The broccoli. Oh my goodness. Very good. And I love the scottle, as you can see. Only thing I got to clean up now was just the scottle itself and my plates. So simple cleanup. I'll put a link in the description for the scottle. I highly recommend checking it out. I won't leave home without it. Oh my goodness. That right here is great. It is extremely hot out, flies out. Apologize. Appreciate all you guys that tune in. Every subscriber taking time to watch videos and comment. It means a lot to me. If you got a scottle, let me know your thoughts. Do you like it? Do you hate it? What do you like? What do you hate about it if you do? Please. I can't stop eating to talk. It's so good. Well, I appreciate each and every one of you tuning in for this episode. Just want to share with you something that I love, part of my camp cooking. Thought maybe I'd share that with you and show you one of my favorite camp meals. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, now is your opportunity. Give the video a thumbs up. And until next adventure, God bless.